In the previous video, we have shown you how to build WordPress websites and how to log in into them. Then, in here, we will show you how to change our password. To change our password, you can click User and then select Profile. Because in the previous video, we installed WordPress with 12345 password, and this is very weak and it's not secure our website. To change our passwords, you can scroll down and click Set New Password in here. We will type the password. For example, we will using medium password like this and click Update Profiles. Now our password has changed. In the next video, we will show you how to reinstall our WordPress website.